Hey everybody, welcome to my reflection of the first 8 weeks of this placement. To be honest, it's been kind of surreal, I think. The fact that, I'm fortunate enough to complete my first placement within my place of employment. Has really been a blessing. When I started on my master's journey, this was one of the biggest um, deters for me, was knowing that I needed to do needed to do internships. Well, how could I possibly do that? I am a, single mom who my parents are a support system, but they live in Brunswick, which is about 40 minutes from me. And so I was like, how am I going to swing it? So, but I took the leap anyway, and I'm glad that I did now. And it's been so fortunate. It's really challenged me to look at the ways in which I work with my residents. I have 10 residents that I work with on a daily basis, and our main goals are rehabilitation work within the community and to help them gain skills to live independently, and to eventually need a lower level of care. And really, what I've noticed and what I was talking to my field instructor about was that it's really easy to get complacent, to just kind of get stuck in the daily routine. And I think that's because for them that works. The predictability of their environment, the safety of their environment, is what really helps. And so with the coursework we've completed up to this point, as well as just other experiences, I've been able to kind of push myself to think outside of the box, to look at different ways to engage in rehabilitation work. I've been looking more toward, I've been able to complete some assessments, which has been really fun. My field instructor, while she works under the same umbrella, if you will, it's a different department. And so she has different clients that she serves, and I've been able to complete some annual assessments for them, which has been a phenomenal experience. I've gotten out and met new people. I've been able to re-hone in on my motivational interviewing skills, which were a little bit rusty the first assessment I went out, and I feel like, those skills have really grown as I've been using them again, because like I said, I work with the same 10 people every day. I know them, right? Like, I've figured out what makes them tick. I've really developed rapport with them. So it's been fun to get out to meet some new people. I've also been completing the assessments for my residents. So that's also aided in like getting to know their history a little bit more versus where they're at right now, getting to talk to them and learning from their perspective, kind of what their life has been like leading up to this point. So I'm excited to kind of continue that. I think that I have been touching on all the expectations that I had in a first year or in a first placement. We're interviewing a possible new resident tomorrow, so that's really exciting. I've never sat through one of those to see that process through. So I'm excited it's also opened me up to doing new tasks and things that, would be required in an upper management position, which is, essentially my goal once I achieve my master's degree, would be to grow within the agency and the program that I'm in within supported housing. So, I'm excited to continue on how I have been, looking forward to some more new experiences, I hope, and just kind of carrying on. I mean, I can't believe that it's already halfway through the first block, and that I'm 8 weeks out from finishing my first internship. It all seems pretty wild. Just validation that if I actually get over my fears and do things, then I can accomplish big things. So overall, it's been a great experience. I think having this platform to be able to present videos and discuss topics and hear all of your feedback around, situations or things that I've experienced, and being able to offer my experience to you all also has been really beneficial, and looking forward to kind of continuing that on and getting to know all of you a little bit more through your videos and practices, and to keep on talking about self-care, which has not been a strong suit for me ever until I've been, kind of, I won't say forced, but kind of to look at it weekly as a requirement of this placement. So we'll carry on. I'll continue challenging myself to do much better in taking care of myself, and just looking forward to kind of to getting through the second half. So talk with y'all soon.